Automating your savings ensures consistency. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a dedicated savings account. Banks like Ally and apps like Chime offer easy automation options. 1. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify and eliminate non-essential expenses. Cancel unused subscriptions, dine out less, and look for cheaper alternatives for your regular purchases. Apps like Truebill can help you find and cancel unnecessary subscriptions. 1. Increase your income. Consider side hustles or freelance work to boost your income. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TaskRabbit offer opportunities to earn extra money. Use windfalls wisely. Tax refunds, bonuses, and gifts should go directly into your emergency fund. Avoid the temptation to spend windfalls on non-essential items. Keep your fund accessible but separate. Your emergency fund should be easily accessible but separate from your regular checking account to avoid accidental spending. A high-yield savings account is a good option, providing some interest while keeping your money accessible.